Hello, this is Steve from MSEDP, and today I want to talk about how to add a blog post using the WebDugout content management system. And this particular client has a blog installed on his site. So far, as you'll see, he's only made one blog entry, but today we're going to create a temporary test second blog post. Basically, you have to go to the edit section of your website and log in. I've already logged into the site. And basically at this point here at the top of the page, you'll see the add button. You click add and new blog. So you're going to create a new post right there. And it works like just creating a new page of your website. Every page should be titled with a name and then a meta title, which the search engines look at, and a page name. So I'm just going to create a blog here called geothermal or oil heat. I'm going to copy that so I can paste it. Basically, I'm going to paste that same thing in the page title and the page URL. Again, I'm really loading up on those keywords. So if someone were to type in, oil heat versus geothermal or oil heat, it's a very good chance that this particular blog will show up high in the search engines if you create decent content to match that. So it's a 4 or 5 step process, but it's very, very simple. As you see, I quickly just type that stuff in. In fact, maybe I'll add to the page title because you can add about 10 or 12 keywords up there. But in the page title, maybe I'll just add geopower in case someone were to type in geopower instead of geothermal. And also, this particular client, he works in a certain area, New York, whether it's Long Island, New York, but we'll just add the word New York up there, just in case someone does a search for geothermal, oil heat, New York. So we try and cover a couple of bases, but I'm going to leave the page name the same. I don't like to make that too long. You want to get kind of very specific with that. And basically, most of the stuff is done now. Now, all you have to do is go over to the open text box at the bottom of the screen, and you can just type away here. Again, very important, create the header correctly. Type in the same thing. You want to match your page name and your page title to kind of, again, tell the search engine, hey, this is really what this particular blog post is about. And then you want to create some interesting content. 2 things. 1, you want it to be interesting for the person reading it and informational. And 2, again, you want to create, at least 100-word, 150-word blog so you can throw the words geothermal, oil heat into the system. I'm going to the top now, just showing if you wanted to insert an image, you can click that button at the top, insert image. If you wanted to embed a video, you could do that. Insert embedded code, you can get that from YouTube, share embedded code. And basically, that's it. You can change the date if you want to, but you've created a blog. Click Save. And your blog post is done. All right, now we can go click and take a quick look at it. We're going to click the View Site button here. Again, it's very easy to use in the WebDugout system, and we're just looking at them. I'm pointing out the title of the page showed up over there, and on the right-hand side would be a list of all the blogs that you've ever created. And we sort it down by month at the bottom there. So again, as time goes on, you're going to have a lot more information. Make it easy. And you can share the blog. We have some features down there. I've just kind of clicked on it again. You could share it, email it, post it to Facebook. Very simple and very informative. And that's it. So, use the blog, and it should help you out with attracting some customers and maybe converting some customers. This is Steve, and have a great day.